everyone, have you ever wondered where the sky meets the mountains? Let me take you there. It's a place where rivers carve pathways through solid stone and waterfalls cascade like silver ribbons from the heavens. In the lush green valleys below, meadows burst with wildflowers reaching eagerly for the sun. I find myself standing in the midst of this vibrant symphony. Through the tall grass, a deer moves with such grace it's almost magical. Overhead, a squirrel leaps from one branch to another while a cunning fox watches from the shadows. This is the wild, untouched, and alive. Everything here is beautifully connected: the forest, the water, the sky, and all the creatures that call it home. As I watch, I feel a profound sense of belonging. It's as if nature itself is whispering secrets of the universe. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to forget the simple joy of being in nature. Sometimes we need to pause, breathe, and let the world around us fill our senses. Because truly feeling life often means stepping into the wild and letting its beauty wash over us. Let's celebrate this connection, embrace the wild, and maybe even start a trend. Who's up for a nature dance challenge? Let's go viral, not just for the views, but to remind everyone of the incredible world that awaits beyond our screens.